We don't have the virtual plea center yet.
Let me see if I can get a hold of them, Judge.
They're there. Mr. Rosales, you're on Luna Evans?
Yes.
Okay, let me see if he's there. All right, good morning, Police Center.
Morning.
Is Mr. Luna Evans there yet?
He just walked in the door. He's sending me.
Okay. We'll get started with him.
Okay.
Mr. Rosales, I think I saw your parents the other day at Como's. Is your mother okay?
She is. She's been having some back issues. I think she has kind of a little case of stenosis actually. And so, but she's doing okay. She's actually improved quite a bit, but thank you for asking.
Good. Yeah, I was a little concerned. At first, I wasn't sure it was them. But when they passed by, I thought that looks like them, but I was surprised.
Well, my parents are both pretty healthy. My mom is healthy otherwise, but she's just kind of she's going through some.
Your Honor, my Zoom is acting funny. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Hunter, I can hear you. I can't see you.
All right. I think we'll just go like this. I'll try to fix it after our pleas.
Okay.
She's going through some back therapy and she's improving. So that's
Okay.
Thank
Good.
you.
Well, give her my regards.
No, I sure will. Thank you so much.
All right, let's get started with Mr. Luna Evans. Court calls a case of State of Texas versus Aaron Luna Evans, cause number 2021-0C00089. Let's do the admonishment. This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus. May I have announcement of counsel?
Hunter Griffin for the state. The state is ready.
Joe Rosales here on behalf of Mr. Evans, and we are ready, Your Honor.
You are Aaron Luna Evans.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear or affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. I need a verbal response for the record, Mr. Evans.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Charged with the offense of assault alleged to have occurred January 1st, 2021 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
I plead guilty.
Any priors other than the one he's on probation for, Mr. Griffin?
Your Honor, it looks like he dropped off. Let me call him and see what's wrong with him.
Okay. Let me see if he tries to log on again.
I can look in portal if you like, Judge, and answer that question for you.
Oh, that's all right. He might be logging back on here. I still need him to finish up the plea.
That's true.
That's Chris Anchondo.
Judge Hunter is trying to get on. He advised that he has no priors, but he does have a pending felony.
Okay. Let's see if he can get on here shortly. Did you notice if he was at the office or at home?
He is at the office, Your Honor. He just told me he's at the office, and I wonder if there's issues with our Wi-Fi here or internet connection.
Oh, you all are on.
Well, yes, ma'am. Yeah, that's true. Are you okay?
See,
All right. He's still trying to get on, Your Honor. He's working diligently to try to get back on.
okay. Asking to switch computers or something.
That's what he's trying to do, Your Honor.
To
He's trying to
finish up
switch
these,
computers.
please.
Your Honor, if it's okay with you, he's having issues. He's going to come up and use my computer if that's okay with you.
Sure. I
And
just
I'll
need
sit with,
one.
I'll sit with Ryan.
Okay. Anybody have any exciting plans for the long weekend?
Sleep.
That worked.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Sleep, sleep, and sleep.
Yes. What happened when I went to bed? You were winning.
It's just the nature of the beast, Judge. It was a close one. So down 150 right
How
now.
many votes? 150? Oh.
Are you still counting, Chris? Is there still counting?
They're still counting. There's still outstanding mail-in and provisional ballots. So they haven't officially called anything yet, but it's 150 is a lot to overcome. So for all intents and purposes, in my mind, I'm moving on from this.
All right, Your Honor. Go
All
and
right.
help Me out. We're ready to go.
Okay. So no priors, then the court in this case will follow the state's recommendation, find you guilty, Mr. Luna Evans, sentence you to a year in jail, probated for 10 months. You're to pay a $500 fine, $30 a month supervision fee, complete 80 hours of community service, be subject to breath and urine analysis, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew where you can't be out unless you're working or going to school, attend anger management classes, AA meetings at least one time a week, and reimburse El Paso County for court costs. Your other case number, the 2019-0C10810, the motion to revoke will be dismissed. Let me tell you now, Mr. Evans, you got lucky on that one. You may not be as lucky on this one if you don't comply with the terms and conditions of your probation. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing further from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you all.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Is Mr. Daniel Anchondo there, please, Center?
Yes. Your Honor, Mr. Anchondo is not here.
Okay, how about Mr. Medina? Medina or Aguero? Please, Center?
Judge, I think they may have dropped off as well.
They did. They just got back on.
Okay.
Actually, it looks like Mr. Plata dropped off as well. Okay, who are you, sir?
I'm Alfonso Medina, Your Honor.
All right. Court calls a case of the state of Texas versus Alfonso Medina, cause number 2021-0C02201.
This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus.
May I have an announcement of counsel?
Hunter Griffin for the state is ready.
Christopher Anchondo, on behalf of Mr. Medina, we are ready.
You are Alfonso Medina?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear or affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Charged with the offense of harassment alleged to have occurred September 5th, 2020 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, Your Honor.
The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in jail, probated for 1 year. You're to pay a $500 fine, $30 a month supervision fee, complete 50 hours of community service, be subject to breath and urine analysis, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew where you can't be out unless you're working or going to school. You'll be on the mental health caseload, reimburse El Paso County for court costs, and have no contact with Patricia Lugo. Your other case, cause number 2020-0C07853, will be dismissed. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Just to let the court know, I've explained to Mr. Medina that he has to talk with probation about this. He's physically limited in what community service he can do with regards to physical activity. So just to let the court know that he's going to be limited in that sense, but he can get with the probation to see what they can offer him.
Right. They have some light duty type of community service. And then we'll also review his health condition and see how much he can do.
Thank you, Judge. And that's
All
for,
right, thank
that's
you.
all.
You may be excused then.
Thank you, Judge.
Please, Center, do we have Mr. Aguero or Mr. Anchondo there?
Mr. Medina, you can
That's
call
it.
me.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Honor. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Mr. Aguero, Your Honor.
All right, let me have Mr. Aguero. Mr. Potter, are you with us? Okay.
Yes, Your
Court
Honor.
calls the Case of the State of Texas versus Damon Aguero, cross number 2019-0C11225.
This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus.
May I have announcement of counsel?
Hunter Griffin for the state is ready.
Manuel Barra, Your Honor, for Mr. Aguero, also ready.
You are Damian Aguero.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear or affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Charged with the offense of criminal trespass alleged to have occurred December 8th, 2019 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, Your Honor.
The court will follow the state's recommendation, find you guilty, sends you to 6 days in jail with court costs, with credit for all time served on everything. Does he have the 6 days credit, Mr. Barra?
Yes, Your Honor, this was intended to be a time-served recommendation.
All right, then if there isn't anything further, you all may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's see if Mr. Anchondo shows up, Mr. Barra.
Your Honor, it's my understanding he may not have been instructed to go to the virtual plea center, Judge, and we're trying to get a hold of him now.
Okay, the setting usually tells them, gives them the address.
I understand, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
Any luck, Mr. Barra?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, just now, my office confirmed that they've been able to instruct him to head over there ASAP, Judge. I don't know if that's helpful to Your Honor, or if you're advising that we instruct him otherwise, Judge.
Where is he currently?
We're finding out, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, he's reporting he's far east and that he's looking to take 45 minutes, Judge, and I'm not sure if that's something that you're.
That's not gonna happen, no. All right. We will reset it this one time, but please advise your client that next time he decides not to show up, he will be a bond forfeiture.
I understand, Your Honor. Absolutely, Judge.
All right, then everybody may be excused. See
Thank you.
everybody at 10:30.